Hi, and welcome to Villa Le Bruyere, which in English means the Heathers. We're in La Californie, Cannes, and we're situated between downtown Cannes and Gulf Juan. As you can see here behind me, we have got stunning sea views that range from the Cap d'Antibes across the islands and over to the Estorils. We're about to tour this magnificently restored Art Deco home that was built in the late 1920s and oozes charm. It delivers big time in its renovation and styling, as well as this outside area that has some beautiful Mediterranean as well as exotic plants. This property has a fantastic swimming pool and jacuzzi, outdoor lounge and summer kitchen with a great barbecue space and somewhere to do your frying dehors. If you'll join me, we're going to tour this property inside and out and have a look at everything that it has to offer. Come on in. Inside, you've got 4 bedrooms and a professional kitchen that's ready for anything from Sunday brunch to a chef's tasting menu. The house itself is in perfect condition, so you don't need to lift a finger, just bring your bags. Let's go see what's going on the top level of this magnificent villa. We're going to go check out the master bedroom first. When this house was recently renovated, there was actually 3 bedrooms on the upstairs level. There's only 2 today because we've got a fantastic master suite with a walk-in closet and an immense bathroom. Come on, let's go have a look. We're in the master bathroom, and it has everything you'll be looking for, from stainless steel heated towel racks to a large shower built in marble. We've got bidet and toilet, a bathtub and double vanity as well, with a marble sink. The perfect place to kick back and relax in your master suite. And welcome to the master suite's walk-in closet with office space. We'll go have a look at the second bedroom here upstairs, and just remember, both of these bedrooms have extraordinary panoramic sea views. Go on and have a look. Now this is where it gets really special. We've got a large swimming pool here on my side. We've got a built-in jacuzzi that you'll see in just a moment. And how about those sea views that we enjoy from this area? It's magnificent. It's all south-facing. We've also got a covered living area. Could be a dining area. There's a barbecue space just to the side of the house here behind us. And there's a shower and toilet that's built in masterfully to this pool house area. Come join me. We're going to go have a look at this awesome outdoor dining and barbecue area. We've got a pergola that has sunshades, and we've got a built-in kitchen space here behind me that has fridge, fryer, as well as a gas barbecue for all your summer entertaining needs. And how about this Mediterranean and exotic garden? And that's the sweet spot, is that you get to have all this luxurious outside space. There's over 100 different styles of plants here, but without all the work. And from a practical perspective, there's 2 separate garages that can house up to 3 cars. That's like gold dust in this area. So that's Le Bruyere, elegant Art Deco architecture from the late 1920s, amazing sea views, light-filled interiors, and outdoor living that dials it all the way up. So if you're looking for luxury living on the French Riviera with zero compromises, then this is the place for you.